Okay, so now I'm going to teach you about different kinds of triangles, okay? The first type of triangle we're going to talk about is a scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, all three sides of the triangle are different lengths, okay? So like this triangle has 2, 3, 4, so all three sides are different. In an isosceles triangle, all three sides of the triangle are, two of the sides are equal, and then the third side is different. Like in this triangle, two sides are both 2, and then the third side is 1, okay? So all two sides are the same and one side is different. And finally, the third kind of triangle is an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all three sides of the triangle are the same, okay? So you know does this make sense? Do you understand this? Yes? Okay, good. So let's do an example, okay? If I have a triangle where three sides are 3, 4, and 5, what kind of triangle is this out of the three that I taught you? Raise your hand. Yes? Good. It's a scalene triangle because all three sides are different, right? So it's a scalene triangle. Okay, now we're going to talk about 3 more types of triangles. First, we have an acute triangle. In an acute triangle, all 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, so all 3 angles are acute angles. Okay? The second kind of triangle is an obtuse triangle. In an obtuse triangle, one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. Like in this triangle that I've drawn here. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. And finally, we have the third kind of triangle is a right triangle. In a right triangle, one of the angles is exactly 90 degrees, as in this one. Does anybody have any questions? Do you understand? Yes? Okay, good. So let's do 2 more examples, and this is going to cover all of the 6 types that I've taught you so far. First of all, if you have a triangle that is like this, so it has 190-degree angle, and the 3 sides are 1, 1, and 1.4. What are the 2 types of classifications that fit this triangle? Yes.
Right.
Yes, that's correct. There's a right triangle because it has 190-degree angle. Very good. And what's another one? Yes?
Isosceles.
Good. And another one is isosceles because 2 of the sides are the same and the third side is different. And let's do one more example. If you have a triangle which is like this, so all 3 sides are 3, 3, 3, and the angles are 60, 60, 60. What are the classifications of this triangle? Yes?
Acute.
Good! It's acute because all 3 angles are 60 degrees, so they're all less than 90 degrees. And what's another classification? Yes.
Equilateral.
Good. It's also equilateral because all 3 sides are the same length. Okay, so to help you remember everything that I've taught you, I've come up with a song, okay? So the song goes like this. If you're scalene, then all sides are different. If you're isosceles, then 2 sides are the same. If you're equilateral, then, and you know it, then your sides will surely show it. If you're equilateral, all 3 sides are equal. If you're acute, then all angles are less than 90. If you're obtuse, then one angle is more than 90. If you're right and you know it, then your angles will surely show it. If you're right, then one angle is 90 degrees. So now you try it, okay? I'll sing with you. If you're scalene, then all sides are different. If you're isosceles, then 2 sides are the same. If you're equilateral and you know it, then your sides will surely show. If you're equilateral, then all the sides are equal. Good. If you're acute, then all angles are less than 90. If you're obtuse, then one angle is more than 90. If you're right, then you know it, and your angles will surely show it. If you're right, then one angle is 90 degrees. Good job!